Hi, good morning, friends. Now, today we can try to understand what are the different numbers in the Python. Obviously, there are different type of numbers we can specify in the Python, like integer, then float, and complex. In order to specify the variable, we know that there is need to specify the data type, then variable name, and then use assignment operator, and then specify the value assigned to the variable with the help of assignment operator. But in the Python there is no need to specify the data type. We simply use the variable name and assign value to the variable, and then automatically this data type will be assigned to the variable. In the above example, we can see that we can use variable x and assign value 10, which is in the integer format, and try to display the value of variable x with the help of printf. And at the same time, we try to understand what is the type of variable x. So we can use print type and variable x. Now save the program with the help of .py extension. .py and try to execute the program on the command line. Demo 12. Line 5 there is the error, that is comma. Line demo 12.py line 5 has the error. Where is the error? Demo 5 demo 12 and demo 12. Here is the error message, that is print x. With the help of print we can try to display the value of x and the type of variable x. Save and try to execute, that is python demo 12.py. Unexpected end while parsing. We have to complete with the help of one more parenthesis, then file save, and again try to run the program with the help of python demo 12.py. and here we can see that with the help of first print we can display the value of variable x, which is obviously integer type, and with the help of second print we can display the data type of variable x. Same logic will be used for number type float. In the above example, we can specify value 10.20 and 10.20 x is equal to 10.20, then print value of x, which is obviously float type, that is 10.20 will be display, and then print, and then type of x, and save file, and once again try to run the program. Here we can see that with the help of first print it will display the float type variable value, which is assigned to the variable x, that is 10.2, and data type of variable is float. In the same way, we can assign the complex type variable value, that is 10 10 plus 42j, and with the help of print function try to display the value of variable x, and with the help of second print we can try to know what is the data type of variable x. Here we can see it display the value 10 plus 42j, and with the help of second print f we can display the data type of variable 10 plus 42j, which is nothing but the complex data type. Hope you can understand the concept. Thank you very much.